everyone, Jacqueline here. So today we're at Lowe's and we're checking out what they have in stock. Check out the gorgeous violets and kalinkois. The violets are absolutely beautiful. I'm loving that white with the purple centers. They've also got a lot of their spring plants in. We've got mixtures of mums for Easter. Pinks and whites, purples, all the beautiful Easter colors. And they have lilies in. And these are Asiatics. They are $12.99 in the pots. And they have yellows and oranges. A really vibrant display. And then they have the Easter lilies in. We have hydrangeas. And the blues, aren't they spectacular? And the pinks, they're beautiful, and they're $19.99 each. And then they got a big selection of orchids. They also have a lot of bulbs in. They have a lot of different dahlias in, like Mr. Optimistic, super pretty, Tahiti Sun, gladiolas. They still have some lilies if you need lilies. And they have cannas and callus, bleeding hearts, butterfly garden, nice big bags of dahlias. These are $9.99 each. And they have their seed potatoes out. There is Yukon, Red Pontiac, Norland, and Innovator. If you need some seed potatoes. The onion sets are out. And they're running at $3.99, so that's not too bad. And we have garlic as well. Scallions. Red onions. Spanish. Your standard yellow onions. We have mixed onions, which is pretty cool. I like the mixed. Make for some great salads and stuff. More potatoes. More onions. Plentiful of onions. Now we have some different kinds of potatoes here. We have the specialty potatoes, which I've never seen them have before. This is red thumb. Supposed to be excellent for storing. Australian crescent. Red apple. Gourmandine. They have the rhubarbs and strawberry here.
But what must have happened is somebody gave somebody the box 2 of 2 instead of the 2, because I can't find
Asparagus.
there's this one.
Two different kinds of asparagus. We have the purple passion and the Jersey giant. We have strawberries. Oh, and we have another asparagus called Mary Washington. These are all $8.99. Some say $9.99. We have Ozark Beauty for strawberries. Sequoia. That looks like about it for the strawberries. And the rhubarb is Victoria. And there's some houseplants on sale. Kalinkois. There's some orchids on for like $10 here. So they have a good variety of stuff on sale. There's some shamrocks over there that I can't get into. A few houseplants. Here, I can get a better look now. Fresh mint. Here are your orchids for $10. Really pretty. So tempting. Oh, the croton. Love them. Love them so much. I cannot seem to get enough of these in the house. Might have to come back to that one just because I'm in love with them. We have snake plants. All sorts of flowering house plants. Here we go. Here's more croutons up here. They look pretty good. And I'm not sure how much they are. Aloe veras. I think these are the Pilea peppermoids. Peppermoids. Can't pronounce that. Some ferns. Let's go around here now that everybody's gone. Erythrums or anthuriums. And this is more of a light pink. Really pretty. Quite a few of those. And here's the red. Let's go over here and check out some more. We have some palms. More crotons. Rubber plants. Oh, these are nice. Look at the leaves on this, you guys. Whoa, Jill dropped it. I'd definitely be buying it, although I'm tempted to anyhow. Let's take it out of the pot. Ho ho ho. Now that is gorgeous with those red stalks coming out. Would look great in my kitchen. Woo. No tag on it. I'm all about the red foliage though. It looks great in the kitchen. Looks great everywhere actually. Spider plants, more clincoys. Orchid galore. Mostly whites, purples. A little dark up there. It's hard to get a good shot on it. I really might have to take that plant home, you guys. And more aloes. We'll just walk around this side. Got a couple different crotons here, kind of like the one I bought. Not as red in color, but very nice just the same. They will color up as well. There's some further back that have more reds in them. And lots of cactus that time of year. And some violets that aren't looking the best, that need some love. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Lots of houseplants for you to check out, and a few perennials like the lilies, Asiatics, and some beautiful violets. So, the flowers are great. And yes, I have this one in my hands. I'm a sucker. I'm gonna take it home because it's gorgeous and I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Maybe I'll have something else exciting for you. It was meant to be. So I did buy that plant and I put it in my kitchen window and it looks beautiful. So we'll see how it does.